Hello workout buddies, we are now in day 19 of the 21-day ab challenge and I hope you guys are seeing amazing results so far. I'm looking forward to see you share your progress or your results on our Instagram community page to motivate and inspire people. In this video, we're going to do your ab, your back and full upper body stretching. You can try this routine before or after every ab workout that I recommend this. Alright, I hope you enjoy it, so let's get started. Alright, this is a very relaxing routine today. Flex your entire lower body on the ground. Hands push up straight and stretch your ab as much as you can. Feel the relaxation around your abdomen. Breathe in and out slowly and enjoy the muscle stretching. Next move, lie flat on your back and relax your upper body. Fold your knees and hold them tight to your belly. What we are doing, we are stretching the lower back and pelvic floor muscles. So you feel like your butt and back arching when you tighten your knees with your hands. Feel it, right? That's the purpose of this exercise. Next move, we are going to stretch both ab and back. Hold your tummy tight and slowly move your middle body up and down. Your legs and arms remain stable on the floor. Keep everything in control and remember, relax. I want you to feel good from the exercise. When you feel relaxed, your muscles relax. Next move, we are going to stretch your upper body. Arms extend over your head, upper back and chest completely rest on the floor. Next move, sit with your back straight, bend right leg and straighten left leg. Twist your torso, left arm against right knee. The tension between your arm and your knee will stretch your entire middle body. We're gonna switch to the other side now. 3, 2, and 1. Next move, start in bridge position. Try your best to reach your arms to your heels. Arching your back and maintain in that position for 30 seconds. Keep it slow and in control. Moving next, start with your knees on the floor. Slowly bend your back backward till your arms reach your foot. This is a quite challenge pose. If you can't reach your foot, it is totally fine. Go as low as you can. Feel your ab, your back stretching to the maximum level. I highly recommend you to try this stretching routine more often. Not only it helps ease the muscle tension, but also helps you release stress and muscle breakdown during the workouts. We're gonna switch to the other side now. 3, 2, and 1. The last pose, you're gonna sit on your knees, hands are straight and against the wall. Stretch your abs, your hips, your upper body as much as you can. Second more and we're done with the stretching today. I hope you enjoyed the routine. Have a good rest and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!